Great. It's recording. Once again, good morning to all the lovely, motivated, energetic people. So happy
Very
to
good
see you all.
morning.
Thank you very much. And once again, I would like to emphasize what is that we are doing here. It is a thought from a great person that when the negativity goes around, we should beat it around with positivity. So that is the whole intention of beating at this time and spreading the empowerment thoughts. And it is so wonderful that it is growing day by day. Lots of people are coming from different directions and different locations, and many insights and wisdoms are being shared here. And when people come next day, when they share their experiences because of this empowering conversation, it is so happy and it makes us feeling fulfilled because we are spending our time worth, and this makes a lot of difference. So today I want to tell you, probably most of you know that Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwa is a great trainer. He's there in the training fraternity for the 30 years and trained more than 20,000 people. And he has come down to spend his valuable time to empower people during this tough time. And I invite you to invite your friends also, because this is important forum. We should share some good thoughts and we should spread positivity. Every day, how we do is we rise up some thought, we discuss about it, and we tell our own opinions, and we share our experiences of yesterday also. Today, sorry, I'm a big fan of Sukhdeepak as well as also Oak Mandilo. I'm taking a scroll from him today that goes this way. One of the Oak Mandilo famous scroll is "I will act now." This tells lot of things. The problem with good people is we keep on go learn, store it in our head. But when the time of action comes, we think, or we just go slow, or we just postpone. For that, the biggest remedy Oak Mandela gives is we should do I will act now. So this is the thought I'm just putting forward. We have greatest people in the forum. Niti, can we go by one? If they want to act on what and all they learned good things, what is that act can be? It can be accountability. Tomorrow we will ask them what is that act they did. It benefit they got it back. Probably you can also start what is that you're planning to act today, and we can start asking everyone.
So today we'll share what the major impact in our activities we are
Yeah,
doing, or what is
yeah,
the
yeah.
change we have.
Yeah, change we'll discuss. Just one commitment from us. We learned so many things. What is it we are going to act today? One activity.
Okay, so for me, as it's a Mother's Day, so I've already posted on my timeline a sweet words about mother, my mom, and my mother-in-law. So going ahead, I would be calling them, making them feel special, and all the elder females. I'll try to reach on all my family elders like Chachi, Chacha, Mama, Mami. I'll try to touch everyone and send them very warm wishes and regards and honor them, so that it's a special day for them. So that
You
would be my act for today.
wonderful, wonderful, and it goes along with the special of the day special also. It is Mother's Day, and you are going to act, make them feel proud. So wonderful, Nitiji. Thanks for sharing with that.
Yeah.
Uh, can we go ahead with others? Anything from Reddy Garu sir, Hasina madam? We want to hear more from.
Mm, mm. I have mentioned that I'm going to get in touch with my sister-in-law's two sons, which I am not in touch with them because in the past we had some issues. But now I want to resolve that and uh, call them up and tell them that I want to be very much part of your family and I want you to be part of my family.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you very much. And from the right beginning, we have been seeing you as a man of action. Every day you act and you come, and even I remember that smile every day, smile today, something posters you made and pasted.
Remember to smile.
Exactly. Remember to smile, you pasted on your lip
Yes,
what you. That is
it's
a
still
wonderful.
it's still there.
Yeah, you inspired me. I'm also trying some in my room, say similar way. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you very much for that sharing, G. Can we go ahead with somebody else? It can be if you are a new member, you can you need not hesitate because it is just a simple thing. You have learned so many things. Today, you need to do some act. What it will be? Could be empowering, could be new implementation. Anybody would like to share?
Yeah, good morning.
Good
Well,
morning, Reddy Garu. Go ahead, please.
see, I could not call to people as we thought of the other day. Today, Sunday, I have a lot of time and I want to call many people actually. I plan today and I want to be a positive warrior for the whole day. And I want to continue to do it uh, and in future also. That's my act for today. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent, Reddy Garuji. There are two things. One is initiating action, and second thing is available for the action to happen. In that way, I have a great inspiration from you. Is that whatever sir is doing or any good things happening, you are available on time, every time, something like that. It makes a big difference. Thank you very much for that, Reddy Garuji, for the unconditional support. And now I see a different look from Abhinav. Earlier, Niti told me I didn't imagine. Now I got it. Can we hear something from you? Abhinav, you already got into action. You have to unmute. Sorry, can't hear. You have to unmute and speak.
Hello.
Hi. Good morning.
Actually, I am not having the idea of today's conversation. Actually, I have joined just now. So will you please tell me what's the agenda for today?
We are just discussing about empowering thoughts which can make us to act positively in the day.
Empowering?
Yes, empowering thoughts, whatever you have.
Okay. My about is this is like what I have experienced for the last 3 to 4 days after joining. If your mind is going in a positive direction and the positive aura or the positive environment is there, and you're talking to the positive peoples like you all, so definitely the positive thoughts will come into in your mind, and you will act in that way. And if you read the newspaper, the negative news like flowing all around the social media or the newspaper, so you will not be able to act positively or do the things in that manner in which they should be going. So that's the difference, and that's how we have to act, by empowering the positive thoughts and acting accordingly.
Excellent, Abhinav. You nailed it properly, and that is the reason why Sukhdeep used to call us as a one particular adjective. Can you remember that? We are all
Yes.
what? We are all positivity
Positive
warriors. Excellent, Gachitaji. We'll tell one more time. We are all positivity
positivity
warriors.
warrior.
Thank you a bit for that share. Can you go ahead with Sakti? Sakti is fully geared up today.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, actually, the Saturday after we had a conversation, I thought to call two of my friends. But now I made a list. It's like I need to call every day. that much big list is there. So in my plan, what I did, actually in the working days as well, in lunch break, I thought to spend 5 minutes just to call them and check it. This is how I made one list for that. Then another thing is like the energy flowing state or whatever the Amazons are taught us. Yesterday I went for a vaccination. I thought that I was sitting because we need to wait for 15 minutes. So I was in that vaccination center. I thought that I can do that exercise. I thought to send that energy to do almost around 200, 300 people were there. I thought to do that. I felt so amazing. Then I thought that I need to continue that one. It was really great experience yesterday. I thought to share it.
Wonderful, Satrika. Yeah, yeah. Thank you very much for that. Keep doing it. We need more people like you in this world, right? This situation. I would like to share something with our theme of the day. I am been with a lot of motivated, great people and learning a lot of things. If I want to put all those things in a single word, which is nothing but you should get into action. The stuckness is the issue. If we are not able to move forward, if we are not able to think further. So the even in water they say no. If the water is been stagnated, then it smells bad. If it keeps flowing, life is happening. And if at all one thing we should do is we should start to act, get into the action. Yes, Abhinav, you said something. Yeah, anybody else? Thank you very much for that. I see someone called Ramas and joined. Can we hear it from you? Kasha, would you like to go ahead?
Yeah, let Kasha go ahead, please. Sorry, Vetri, I will talk later.
No problem, sir. I'm just
Morning. Sorry, I just joined the session, sir. What's the discussion?
discussion is I am initiating a discussion on the scroll from Oak Mandilo. I will act now because action is very important. In that sense, if at all you want to do some one action today for empowering yourself and others, what that act will be.
Whatever we're thinking to do towards on that direction, whatever needed to that on that direction, we start implementing. I think that would be empowering.
Anything specific so that because now you have a problem, we have 20 accountability partners for you. Tomorrow we will ask you.
Okay.
Anything specific? You can think come later also. You're getting the point, Kasha.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll update on that, sir.
Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Call me Vetri. Do I look that old? Leave it. Thank you very much for that,
Yeah.
Kasha. Anything from Kuldeep sir? You want to talk something? Mr. Kuldeep, you want to add something?
As far as today's program is concerned, I will call some of my friends, 4 of them, and also to organize my study room and all these books today. That is the agenda for today.
Okay. So you have a busy day today.
Say,
Thank you very much for that share, Mr. Kuldeep. Can we hear it from Susan, Lena?
Shirishi want to speak. His hands is up.
Yeah, please. Richi, go ahead. You got muted. Yeah, please.
Hello. Good morning to you all.
Good morning.
Positivity barriers. Good morning to you all. What I want to say is that what you have just quoted is we should act now. It's very, very appropriate verb. It's very, very appropriate phrase as such. But the thing is that what we learn, what we hear, and we come to this point and there's a standstill, right? Only thing, we are very much good listeners also. We appreciate each other also. But when time comes to practice it, there's a problem. I mean, sometimes we start it also, but sometimes, we lose the energy again, right? So what I think is that it should be more and more such programs, right? It is just like, giving a training to the mind, right? Because, when you are geared up, you do the things. But when the time passes, you lose the energy again, and again, there's no activity as such, right? Because I'm in the training, and I think Nidhi is also in the training as such. So she knows it very well. You also know it very well that, you need the training constantly. You have to train your mind. Otherwise, the mind sometimes slips. So whenever the time comes, and what we see is that, okay, we'll do it next time. We'll do it next time. And that next time doesn't come at all. So actually, whatever we are discussing here, most of the time, most of the things I'm doing it, right? Daily, I try to call people, my friends. I try to call so many people, those who were not in my contact. I try to find out the contacts and try to phone up them, try to establish the rapport again, right? And then I have noticed that they feel very happy. After some days, after so many years, somebody is calling you, you feel very happy. And 3-4 days back, I was discussing that, how to start the positivity. And I said that I would rather ask people if I'm in a not good mood. So what should I do? So I try to seek, some advice from them. Then they give me so many ideas. So this is how we can start it. We can do it. But yes, we need to do it regularly, which we are not doing. I mean, at least in my case, I'm not talking about others. In my case, but you need to remind your mind again and again. Yes, I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. This is what I think I have learned it. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. You spoke very appropriate, and thanks for the appreciation for the topic. I also want to hear one act. Can you commit? What is that you're going to do today?
Yeah.
Sorry, we lost you. Some connection issue.
Sorry?
Can you tell us again? Any act can you commit today? I will do it today. Something like that.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Some connection issues there. Just a minute. I lost. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Very much. Thank you very much for that. I said. And one quick question is, can you commit some action today? Which is that you are going to do today?
Yeah, I will again call people.
Beautiful.
I'll again call people. Yes.
Spread the positive. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Please do it. We need more.
And I'll try to experience the the exercise that day before yesterday. Mr. Subdeepak told me I just joined halfway, but I could not do it completely. But I'll do that. Yeah.
Wonderful. I can also relate to that. After learning that energy passing and connecting with the people, many people got stuck with that because every day we get big list. We have to call that guy. I relate to that from Sakti also. And with the connection with the statement you said, we learn, we don't act. I remember somewhere I heard, if people been given choice, if you want to climb a tree and pluck the mango fruit, or if you want to read about a book, how to climb a tree, pluck a fruit, people choose to go for a book.
Rather than doing that.
So that is kind of unknowingly we have little block in our side. So this action solves a lot of problems.
Yeah, it's just like reading how to drive a car in the book only. I'm not driving it. Unless until you try to
swimming also.
Yeah.
Without getting into the water. Nice, appropriate. Right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Anybody else?
Yes, sir, it is Mother's Day today. I'll be calling all the beautiful mothers around me. So it's Women's Empowering Day today.
Wonderful, and happy Mother's Day to you also.
Thank you so much. Hi, and I'll spend more time with my son today. Yes, that's also there.
Very good. Thank you for that sharing. And
hello, Dr.
Yes, Leena ji, good morning.
Good morning, and good morning to all of you. I just wanted to ask Mr. Shirish Kumar that he has so many ideas to spread positivity. I also wanted to do that, but the ideas are not there. So please, he can share some of them.
Suresh ji,
Yes,
now, now you are in demand.
No. You just start thinking, you'll come to know so many ideas. It is like that. It was one of them. I was just thinking, and then I got that idea that how we can motivate people, how we can start make others think like this. So if you just request them, they would definitely think about it. Because Sukhdeepak has said that, yeah, rather than asking people, I mean telling people, if you ask them, they would definitely give some advice.
Sorry.
So there are many people giving you advice. It is up to you. I mean, if the advice is really good, you can definitely practice it as such. But the thing is that your approach decides your response, right? So how your approach is, if your approach is really good, humble, then you get a very good response as such. But your approach is not appropriate, then you may not get that response. So it depends upon your approach as such. This is what I think.
Excellent explanation, Suresh ji. Leena, madam, have you got it?
Thank you.
This remembers me when Sukhdeepak used to teach us communication. The communication purpose of communication is it should get us what we want. But many times now, with our own judgment, our own past experiences, we put things in a different context and something opposite happens. So I understand from Suresh ji's statement is your intention is so important. How you go focus without any judgment, things will happen. And you can act. I also would like to add little to it. You can plan small things. Even yesterday, day before yesterday, Ramaji's daughter made a handmade greeting. It might have taken some 15-20 minutes, but that made him whole day happy, and he is going to preserve it for a long time. You're getting the response. So something like you can even writing a postcard, something, or just a greetings you make it, give it to people, or even expressing close to people in a written form. Something like I write design I love you to my wife. Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but that will make them a positive difference, isn't it? You can plan. You have so many things with you. Just explore and come and share with us. All the best, Leena ji.
Yes. Thank you. And one more thing, Vetri, I wanted to share with Sukhdeepak Malviya sir also.
Please.
That can't we start this program from 8?
We will request him.
Because I'm not able to join. Daily I'm just watching that videos.
We'll put our request to the universe as well as to Sukhdeepak. Let us wait for the response. Thank you, Leena ji, for that one.
Yeah. One more thing. Shall I contribute?
Go ahead.
Yeah. The thing is that you rightly said that it depends on your communication as such. Many times our intention is different, and we say something, and then we have to repent. I didn't mean that. So actually, your intention is really different, but your words are not appropriate. So that makes confusion. That makes a misunderstanding also.
Yes.
So rather than bringing in such a situation, if you just choose appropriate words before speaking or before contacting, I think there will be a good response as such. So choosing your appropriate words, your appropriate, you can say, approach as such will definitely give you good response, is what I think. Thank you.
Yes. Right. Absolutely right.
For that empowering conversations, this reminds me how to tell us communication is willingness to accept other person's point of view without changing it.
Very true.
Yeah. We are very clear. Earlier times, I would like to share one thing. Earlier times when I was interacting he used to teach us when somebody speaks. Typically, I want to be transparent. Also, it is like husband and wife conversation. Somebody speaks. He used to advise us, just don't tell anything. Listen to it and rephrase it in the same way. Like, this is what you want to tell me, correct? Then I said, okay, this is also a way. Because to give them a understanding that we understood properly. Then after that, I read a lot of books, gone into subconscious mind, these things and all. Then I understand that with their own reality, they are always checking that this guy understands my point of view in my point of view. Because
Hmm.
all the time when somebody speaks, we understand in different point of view and we just live in our reality. First
Yeah, yeah.
basic qualification for communication is you should get into his realm.
Hmm.
Communication is trying to understand other person's point of view without changing it. How wonderful it is.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah. One thing is there. Can I share? Can I
Please,
add it?
Suresh.
Yeah, one thing is there. Many times we are ashamed of asking again and again. If I am not understood anything, and then I'd say yeah. But that this yeah doesn't mean that I have understood everything, and I feel very ashamed to ask it again. I would think that what other person would think about me, he doesn't understand at all. But other than that, if you just say I'm so sorry, but I couldn't get you, and then if you a request like this, he would come again, and then yeah, cool head, you can listen to him, and then you can analyze it. Then you can realize that yes, what he says is correct. Is the point. So
Hmm.
rather than saying yes, I have understood, and then doing some mess, it's better
Yes.
to ask again and get it clear. Yeah, thank you.
Excellent, Suresh. Lena, madam, you created a wonderful conversation and it is benefiting all of us. Thank you very much for that wisdom thoughts, Suresh.
लीना मैडम किधर है? I didn't
लीना
see you.
मैडम ब्रेकफास्ट बना रही है.
Oh, hello.
शिरीष कुमार, आप भी नहीं दिख रहे हो.
Yeah, correct.
दिख रहा
Right,
हूँ.
right.
अरे,
Hi, your video is off.
hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Excellent, excellent.
Can I
Suresh,
share one thing?
Morning.
Can I share a small thought?
please go ahead. Ji. We are looking forward to hear from you.
Since I have joined first time, I just say one or two lines about myself.
Yes.
I was in Indian Navy. I retired as a Commodore and about 30 years experience in Indian Navy. I'm also a human resource trainer, also a master practitioner of neuro-linguistic programming. I came in contact with Mr. Sudeepak and was highly impressed the way he is empowering people. Now, today's topic, I just put something for a food of thought regarding this motivation and action. We normally think that we will get motivation from somewhere else. But as far as my experience is concerned, the motivation, what we are thinking that we will get from someone else, it is a little myth. Nobody can motivate anyone. It does not mean that whatever we are learning, as we are having a session here, they have got no value. They have got a certain value. 100% they have got a value. But other people or other conversation can inspire us, but they cannot motivate. Inspiring means changing thinking, and motivation is changing action. And here, as I understand, the crux is that you act when you are required to.
Can you come again, please? Sorry.
For that, if we look for the motivation first and then start acting, then there is a problem. I feel, and I have experience in my service life also, that sometimes the motivation starts after some time when you start the action.
Okay.
The motivation, then how to do that part that you start in time, that is probably the crux. That time I feel that starting the work at the time when it arrives is not a part of thinking, it's a part of our decision. You take a decision that this time has come, now it is nothing else is to be done but to act. This is a strong decision. The stronger it would be, we will get into that action. And after some time, after say 2 or 3 minutes, the motivation is self-generated. And then we can go ahead. And mind has got probably a tendency when you start a work, you try to finish that. Then we can continue. This is just a food for thought, which I have got from my experience. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent, Pradeep ji. You have so many stuffs. We need more from you. You can even take on separate session. Thank you very much for sharing that, being with us. Yes, we need to hear from the people who haven't spoken. Ashok ji, namaste. Good morning.
All right. If nobody else is speaking, I'll go this time.
Please go ahead. I am about to call your name.
Well, all my plans for today have gone crashing because early in the morning I came down with a severe attack of vertigo, and since 4 a.m. I've been beaming and trying to pull energy to get over this. I'm 50% cured. For the rest 50%, I think I'm going to spend most of the day still pulling energy to get out of this. I would like to get out of this attack before the end of the day.
We totally understand, Niti ji. We are also going to beam a lot of energy to you. You will be all right before end of the day. All the best to you.
Thank you.
Thanks for being with us. You are not alone.
Thanks.
Yes.
I'll pray for you too.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm already feeling better. That's why I pulled myself out of the bed and I said I must be here today.
So the beautiful soul will get all the energies, and the universe will send you back all the healings you had given to others today. Then you need them, and they will send you. We all
Thanks.
will empower you.
Thanks so much.
That is from Niti on behalf of Lord Buddha.
Niti ma'am, sending a lot of vibes from Hong Kong.
Thanks so much.
Great. Thank you very much for that. So lovely. Who else? Manasi and Archanme. Can we have a parting words from you guys?
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So I would like to share yesterday's instance. Now in this pandemic time, as such, we have a very hectic schedule as such. We are moving from one work to another work, and then from that to third work, and then again next work comes. And in that way, one after another, you feel so exhausted sometimes. So in that way, yesterday also, it was mid of the day or around afternoon it was. So it so happened I was very exhausted. I was just thinking now I'll complete and I'll just move to my bed. I'm not going to listen to anything from anywhere, not going to do any work. All of a sudden I was told, no, you have to go out and get something. So I was literally, my legs were trembling and I didn't feel like standing also. The situation was that. And then I said, no, I'll go. Don't worry, give me some time, I'll go. I sat down on the floor and there only with the family around, I sat and I started pulling energy. You will not believe, in a span of 10 minutes, I was okay and I said, yes, I'm going. I felt as if I had a nap of 1.5 hours.
Oh.
That good. I was completely fresh. So that positive thought which I had that I am going to do, that really helped me in pulling the energy and making myself better. So that was the experience. So that good, the positivity, the pulling energy is. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for that share, Archanme. It is a great share. In fact, it's the greatest testimony for the energy pulling and beaming exercise we are all doing and getting benefited. I'm very happy that you are able to recover immediately. Thank you very much for that share. It really inspires in the morning.
Yes. I shared this because specifically that Leena ma'am is having, who's having problem, that headache, migraine?
Niti.
So Niti ma'am will definitely improve from this. Only thing is
vertigo.
Vertigo, yes. So I also get sometimes vertigo. So Niti ma'am, only thing is I will be all right. That positive thought you should have, and immediately you'll start improving.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Definitely. Thanks.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
fashion
don't say
education.
I don't say I will be all right. You just say I am all right. That makes a lot of difference.
Yes, very correct. You are right. I am all right. Very true.
Very
Yes.
true.
Yes, that should be the correction. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Hasina ma'am.
Since all these greatest people put this thought, let us all 3 times say, I am all right. Everybody, please go ahead.
Yes.
I am all right.
I'm all right.
Second, I am all right.
I'm all right.
I am all right.
I'm all right.
I am all right.
Very
I'm
good.
on
Next.
top of the world.
Yo. Today, all women should be top of the world. All mothers.
They take us also.
Come.
Let the fathers, let the Father's Day come.
Yeah.
Our turn then.
No argument today. Okay. with that beautiful smile and happy feeling, let us go to the world, conquer the day. Let us act today. Let us act now. All the
Yes.
best to you.
Yes.
We'll do a laughing exercise before
Yes, please.
starting our day. Okay, cool. So we all
You
will close
explain,
our
Niti,
eyes.
sorry. Yeah. You explain people who may not know.
You go ahead. Like you had.
You explain and do it, please. Just
Okay. So we'll do a silent laughing exercise, and we will laugh to our fullest from all our senses, from all our parts of body, and we'll try to spread that happiness throughout the day. We'll do a silent laughing exercise. So once I say 1, 2, 3, we all will start for a minute. So 1, 2, and 3. Start. With that note, Mr. Vilji, I give it up to you. You can
Thank you very much, Niti ji.
brief the meeting.
It's an amazing exercise, and it is so amazing that you reminded us and asking us to do this. That's what Sukhdeep used to say, that the hormones doesn't know that we are doing it real or fake. If we do this, that happy hormones start to segregate and it will start to rule your day. So we are all geared up. Let us go to the world, seize the day. Let us act now. Thank you for joining.
Right.
Very well.
Yeah, please.
Still, it is not coming. Very difficult. Without any cause, we are laughing.
We will get used to it.
And please remember my request.
Definitely, Leena ji. We'll put it. Thank you for
These
joining.
days I'm feeling very bad.
Yeah, I totally understand. We could hear some sound from kitchen also. We could figure it out what the dish will be.
And we are feeling hungry.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining.
Thanks.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank
Have a great day. Thank you.
We'll stay.